Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a game pass on Roblox mobile. So first of all you have to open any browser or Chrome browser and search for roblox.com. You have to go to roblox.com, click on it. So first of all it will take you to the home page and where you have to tap on three dot and go to just enable this desktop site. Once you enable it, the website will be open in desktop mode. Now you have to tap on this create tab. So now you have to zoom in and now click on the default experience. This default experience, click on it. Tap on this menu option. Now create items. Now you have to tap on the passes. Now click on this create pass to create a game pass. So now you have to tap on the game pass name like G1, and you can also change the game pass image by tapping on this change button. Now click on demo and you can now click on this create path button and your game pass will be created. Fine. So right now I'm mirroring my mobile screen on my PC and to show you because it's easy to record on my PC and edit as well. So now once you create a game path, click on the game path that you have created. Now you have to click on menu again and click on save. And now you have to click on this sale button, item for sale, and enter the cost of the game pass. Now click on save changes. Now your item has been set for the sale. Now you just need to open a game please donate game and where you can add it as a donation button. So let's do that. So I can do this on my PC. So let's see. So PC on mobile is the same process. You don't have to do anything different. So let me remove this tab. Now you just need to go to in Roblox app. And you have to click on this please donate game, or you can search for it if you don't see this game because I have recently played this game, so that's why in the recent tab. So just click on this play button to play this game. So once you're in the game, guys, you just need to go to any stand. Like this is the empty stand. You can see this written unclaimed. You just need to press and hold E button. Game pass will be listed here. As you can see, the game pass will be listed here. So that's how you can add your game pass as a donation button in the please donate. So yeah, hope you like it guys and thanks for watching.